guys, I'm Mrs. Vollmer. I'm here for soccer video 2, and what I'm going to be going over with you are some activities you can do at home, okay? So what I want you to work on is potentially what are some moves you could do when the soccer ball's at your foot when you're taking it at a defender, okay? What to do with the soccer ball when it's in the air, and how to shoot on goal. All right, so those are the 3 things we're going to go over today. So a lot of times in soccer, if you watch professionally or whatnot, you'll see soccer players doing all these different moves, getting their body into it, okay? If you watch people that aren't talented with soccer, they'll just dribble and the ball goes right into the defender. So having control of the soccer ball at your feet is important, okay? So one of the things that you'll see, and one of the most common moves, is a simple chop. So if I'm dribbling, okay, I'm going this way, I'm gonna chop the ball 90 degrees, then do another 90 degrees, and pass my defender, okay? So that is just a simple chop. So I take the ball this way, the middle of my foot, and then I pass my defender, okay? That's a chop, and you would want to practice it with both feet. Another move you can do when going towards a defender, something we call a scissor, and this is one that you want to get your shoulders involved, okay? Your whole body. So I'm going to come around the ball this way, fake, and then it's a touch with the outside of my foot. Okay, so I'll do it at a little bit of speed. So I do a scissor, and then I go. Okay, so that's your scissor. So it's chop, scissor, and now another one is if you want to change direction. So you're dribbling, and you're going to do a step over. So I'm going to take my foot over the ball the other direction, and then pivot on my front foot, come back, and now I'm changing directions, and I'm going this way. All right, so if I'm dribbling, step over, back, now I go that way, okay? So another thing to do while you're at home, besides practicing your individual foot skills, is your juggling skills, okay? So one, always practice with bringing the ball up with your foot, okay? You don't want to pick the soccer ball up with your hands and then try to dribble, because that's not what you're going to do in the game. So what you can do is put the bottom of your foot on the soccer ball, roll it back, step back, get your foot underneath it, pop it up, and try to juggle. You can use your feet, your thighs, maybe it's going to go a little bit higher to your chest, maybe your head. Okay, so this helps you work on using your body when the ball is in the air when you play soccer, because obviously the only person that can use their hands are the goalie. So let's see if I can pop it up. Okay, a little bit of juggling, then I'll use my thigh, then I'll use my chest, back to here, maybe head, bring it back down. Okay, so those are just juggling. That's something you can do at home when the ball's at your foot, okay? Now, if you want to take it to the next level, you can practice receiving the ball when it's in the air. And you can just toss it up on your own. So, you don't have to toss it up super high. So I'm going to toss it up and then bring it down, okay? And then I would practice my other foot, okay? Timing on this is huge. I make it look easy because I've done it a lot. Some of you are going to try to do it, you're going to be too early, you're going to let it bounce too high. I like to let it hit the ground, and then my foot comes here, and I trap it against the ground, and then I go. So again, it's here, and then I bring it down. Also times you're going to have to use your thigh. So bringing it up, and then bringing it back down. Okay, and then I would do it with my left, and bringing it back down. Then you're going to want to do it with your chest, here, and then bringing it back down. Then I would do it with my left foot. Then, if you really want to go nuts, head, and then bring it back down. Okay? So the last thing, I'm just going to quick demo, is shooting the ball on goal using your laces. Non-kicking foot, about this far away, in line with the front of the ball. I want my toe down, and I'm going to use my laces. Shoulders over the ball. Okay, so if I'm going to shoot the ball on frame, land on my kicking foot. Okay, so hold on. So pretend I shot, and then land on that kicking foot. That's going to give you power. Okay, that's all I got for you today. Thank you.